Hello, YouTube gardeners. Well, it's almost 5 months after we got our baby chicks, 2 days old. Hi, Salty. So they're almost 5 months old and we got our first egg yesterday and they decided to lay it while I was out of the country. Huh, girls? So we're not sure which one's laying yet, but we're super excited to have our own organic eggs. Let's go check it out. Let's go see your first egg. Who is this, Miss Salty? Look at what we have here. Wow, hi girls. And she's pecking at the egg. Good job, beautiful girls. Good job. Hi, Pepper. All right, whose egg is that? Whose egg is that? You guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Hey, don't crack that egg. Okay, I'm gonna get a batch of eggshells powdered and added to my raised beds for calcium-enriched soil. Stay tuned. Well, that last clip was filmed at the end of October, and shortly after that, the chicks came down with a respiratory illness. And I'm sad to say that we lost Cayenne. We fought it for several weeks and Salt and Pepper are doing really well now. They're back to laying again. They didn't lay for a couple months. But it just hit Cayenne a lot harder than it hit Salt and Pepper. So we really miss her. And everything kind of just went a little crazy for a couple months. The chicks got sick, and then I had a few work trips, and then right when I got back, Jet had to go in for a knee surgery. He's having to be down for 6 weeks. We just hit 5 weeks today. He's recovering well. We get x-rays next week. Hopefully he hasn't re-injured his knee. And then last week we lost Moon. So great sadness going on in our family right now. Her name is Goonie. Actually, my son named her Goonie, and I call her Moon. And you've probably seen her in past clips, a beautiful little fluffy white doggie. So Moon's no longer with us. We're about to come into a frost. So I'm going to get some of these vegetables harvested. I have some kohlrabi that's overdue. It's probably tough. And I've got some green chilies that I need to get harvested before the frost hits, some bells, and then I'll get on to powdering the eggshells and share with you the grinder that I got that makes the job super easy. That's going to give me lots of calcium for the upcoming growing season for my tomato plants and my peppers and my chilies. All right, stay tuned. Here's the beautiful Jedi recovering. Are you getting better, buddy? You gotta be down for a few more weeks. He's gonna have a bionic leg, huh? Good boy. Okay, we have a beautiful harvest. Lots of beautiful colors, lots of beautiful smells. These little tiny pumpkins are so adorable. I did a video on planting and growing pumpkins. If you're interested in growing those, look back at my video from a couple of months ago. So we got just a few bags of green chilies and some beautiful yummy citrus, some Italian onions, some green onions, the bunching green onions, some potatoes, lots of arugula. The arugula is so beautiful. Got some bells, some lettuce, and some overgrown kohlrabi. And that was just a random head of lettuce that was growing in the ground. I get heads of lettuce just sprouting up all over the place. It's so fun. All right, so super yummy and beautiful. Now on to powdering my eggshells. Okay, I'm ready to get some eggshells powdered. And here I have a nice big bag of eggshells that I've been collecting over the last couple of months because spring is almost here and we grow lots of tomatoes, peppers, and chilies. We all know how important calcium is to make sure that we grow the healthiest vegetables possible. Calcium is key in the cell wall development, and that will help avoid blossom and rot. But eggshells take quite a while to break down. And even when you crumble them up as best as you can, it still takes quite a while. So I'm going to speed up the process by powdering them. So the first step is I'm going to boil them to eliminate any bacteria that may be hanging out. And then I'm going to dry them really well to make sure that they can be powdered down well in the grinder. And then I'm going to get them ground down. And I'm going to share with you the grinder that I use. It does an excellent job. Alright, these eggshells have been boiling for over 10 minutes to kill any bacteria like salmonella. And now I'm going to get them drained and dried and then get them powdered down. Alright, here they are. Now if it was warm outside, then I would just set them on a cookie sheet, spread them out and let them air dry. But since it's kind of rainy weather for a couple of days, I'm going to get them on a baking sheet and just put the oven on low and then have them dry out that way. And there you have it. So easy and super fast. This is the box information. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna look up the price and note it here in the video. And with all these eggshells, I have about 25 times this little batch here. So it'll take me maybe about 15 minutes to grind all of these eggshells. And now I'm going to have a ton of calcium to add to my garden soil. I hope you found this video helpful. We have lots more do-it-yourself ideas to share, so hit the subscribe button. What a great way to use your eggshells. We grow a ton of tomatoes, peppers, and green chilies each year, and I know our plants are going to do excellent with all of this extra calcium. All right, time to go finish prepping my garden soil. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.